Hi guys, this is LegoBot723 here with the first ever on YouTube Lego revolver rifle. I call it the revolver rifle because it has the barrel of a rifle and the stock, it has the barrel and stock of a rifle but the mechanism of a revolver. I'm not sure it's the first ever on YouTube, but I looked for revolvers, Lego revolver rifles, and I didn't find any. So I'll just shoot it right now. Then to reload, you just cock it back and spin it. About up to there. Alright, this is going to take some time. There. And you just shoot. Yeah. So it's pretty powerful. And yeah, this has been LegoBot723, my Lego revolver rifle.